Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I bring you two new model for you. And the left one is the OPPo Find X7 Ultra, and the right one is the OPPo Find X7. So this is the Find X7 Ultra, black color, and this one is the Find X7. It's called the blue color, blue and white. So today I'm going to compare these two new models for you from several aspects. X7 Ultra, today we get a black color, 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM, and this one, the OPPo Find X7, blue and white color, leather material as well. Both of them are leather material. This is box, and today we get 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. Yes, so as we can see from the first impression, it gets a very similar design. I think 90% are same, but also we can tell the difference from several aspects. First, we can see the camera zoom. For the Ultra, is support quad camera, but for the X7, it's used the triple camera system. And also we can compare about the weight and the thickness. For the X7, it gets a 9mm thickness and weight 202 grams. But for the Ultra, it gets a thickness 9.5mm and weight 221 grams. So about thickness and weight, the Ultra is bigger and thin and thick. And also we can also find the camera zoom. For the Ultra, it looks more bumped up, so that's why it's more thick than the standard edition. And also if we go to the front, we find the screen size is very similar but also different. X7 6.78 inch, but for the Ultra 6.82, so it's also a bit bigger. But about the display resolution, for the X7 2780 by 1264 display resolution, but the Ultra support 3168 by 1440 display resolution. And for the PPI of X7, 450 PPI, X7 Ultra 510 PPI, and both of them support LTPO 3.0 and doubly, and also the Pro XDR and eye protect. Here are the processor information. For the Ultra, supported Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, but for the X7 Basic, it's just used the MTK Dimensity 9300 processor. But for the RAM and ROM, is both support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And also the side key. And for the X7 Ultra, it gets a more high standard function. I will show you. This is the X7. It's silent, vibrates, and normal. But for the X7 Ultra, it gets a VIP mode. It can get a better privacy and safety information mode. So this is also the difference between these two devices. VIP mode, the X7 Ultra supported, but the X7 it doesn't support these functions, just normal. Yes. That's just brightness. And also I think about the peak brightness. About X7 Ultra is reached to 4500, and also it support a high dynamic range for the screen. Also about battery, for the Ultra is used the 5000 big battery with 100 watts capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. But for the For the basic X7, it's just a 5000 battery with 100 watts capable of charging, no wireless charging. And here we go to the camera test. For the Ultra, it supports 3x plus 6x dual periscope camera, 50 megapixel main camera wide angle, 50 megapixel curved wide angle, and for 6x is used the periscope is used IMX890, and 6x periscope IMX858. But for the X7 it just support wide angle 50 megapixel periscope OV64 megapixel OV64, and Samsung GM1 camera wide angle 50 megapixel. So we can check the difference between these two devices with the camera part on the front. But both of them support 32 megapixel front one. Generally speaking, I think the camera part is a big difference part. For the Ultra, is first use the LYT900 Sony sensor camera, and it's much better than the normal OV camera, and also the dual camera periscope camera. It's the first time used in smartphone, so this is a big gap and big advance for the OPPo Ultra. So for the portrait long lens, the Ultra can get better performance of the quality, and here we can get more settings, promote settings about the camera part. And also for the Ultra, it support IP68 rating, USB 3.0, and on-screen fingerprint. But for the basic edition, it's just IP65 and long focus on the screen fingerprint and USB 2.0. But for the advantages of the X7 is not so high-end specification, but also it gets thin and weight with light compared to the Ultra edition. For example, if you prefer light phones, I think the the X7 is better. Hand feelings and hold feelings if you use it for a long time. If you prefer higher specification, the extreme performance, I recommend you use the X7 Ultra. And also if you prefer the very high quality camera, you can also choose the Ultra edition. And here I put some sample test of the two devices. Let's enjoy it. And this is today's main simple and very quick comparison video between these two devices. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more gadget from here. And at the right corner of the pictures, you can get the 15mm or different shooting and camera information and aperture information, ISO information, and the lens information. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.